Good afternoon. Right. How come I only see a few people turn in the work? See this one? This one is the latest one. There's only 10, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Only 15 people turn in. These are the name of people who submit the work, which is going to. I just wonder what happened to the rest because I already gave out the assignment and then I give you time to do it. And then I even the answer, I record it in the video and then I post it on Google Classroom. So there's no way that if you don't understand, you could just ask me more. What's going on? Where is the rest of you? And let me check on past simple tense. Oh, past simple tense. They are on here. Let me check on if you have done any more work on past simple tense. The past simple tense are still the same, like the same people still haven't handed in the work mostly. What should we do, guys? 25 got in. 28. 30, 34, 35. Right. Like and dislike as well. I don't know what to do. I just want you all to finish it and then we can move on to the next lesson. So this one is like and dislike, and look at this. It's only like a few people handed in. Like and dislike. 1, 2, 5, no, 6. Number 8. It's like the same people still not doing any work. Which is, I just want to know the reason because with the online work, we have to help ourselves too. Please be responsible for yourself because this is your studying after all. Oh, wow. But please, this one, going to. Very disappointed because only a few people turn in and I already answer everything. And I think it's quite easy as well. You didn't have to do anything. You just click on it, right? All right. Let's take out your activity book and turn to page 67. This one is if you still remember the story, but I will play the story for you one more time then, and then do the exercise.
The church tower.
Look, the other teams are going to get to the animal rescue centre before us. Oh no, they're going to win. I've got an idea. Follow me. Let's climb up the tower. We can use my binoculars to see the animal rescue centre. Then we can read the message. You're a genius, Ollie. Shh! What's that noise? Oh, it's creepy. I don't like this. You're not a genius, Ollie. I can't see anything. Perhaps it's a mouse. You're kidding. That isn't a mouse. Can you see the message? What does it say? It says Animal Welfare Day. Be kind to animals today.
Well done. That's the right answer.
Yeah. Wow, it's an owl. Look out! It's going to crash into the wall. Oh, poor thing. It's hurt. We should take it to the animal rescue center. Come on. Yeah. Is it going to survive?
Yes, it's going to be fine. Well done, kids. You saved the owl's life.
Okay, now let's do this exercise.
เรียบร้อยค่ะ
What's that? Finish?
sorry teacher
Let me know when you finish. What's that? Are you finished?
finish teacher
Right. Number one, it says the children wanted to read the message on the flag. Number two, they climbed to the top.
they climbed to the top of the church tower
Right, of the church tower. Number three, they heard a noise and
They heard a noise and they were scared.
Very good. And they were scared. Number 4. They read the message.
They read the message with only binoculars.
Very good. With only binocular. Number 5. There was an owl.
There was an owl in the tower.
There was an owl in the tower. Number 6. It crashed.
It crashed into a wall.
As it crashed into a wall. Number 7. Children took it to.
The children took it to the animal rescue center.
The Animal Rescue Center. Can you see that? Okay, and the last one. They saved.
They saved our life.
They saved the owl's life. Easy, right? Now we're gonna move on to Unit 7, Lesson 6. There were a lot of new vocabularies that we're gonna learn about it. The first one, we call it pets. Okay, pets are animals that we have lots of animals on this earth, right? And we have put it into roughly 3 categories, which are pets and farm animals and then wild animals. Pets are the animals that we raise them at home for our entertaining. You know, there's dogs and cats, and some people even have snake as a pet, right? And what is it? Iguana as a pet as well. So a pet is something that we raise in a house and that we just for our entertaining purpose only, or just to protect us like a dogs, you know. The next group of animal is farm animals. Farm animals, people had the farm animals for their own advantage. Like, you know, we can use their labor, we can eat their meat, we can, you know, have their dairy like milk and eggs, and we can have their wool to make clothes, right? And the last group of animal is the wildlife animal. The wildlife animals lives in forests, live in the wild. You know, you cannot be tamed or, you know, keep them close to you because some of them prefer big field, prefer to travel around. Some of them are too dangerous to be kept to the close approximates to the human. The next vocabulary is endangered. Okay, endangered is the animals that almost extinct, like a dinosaur, but it's not extinct yet. But we have very field of them on Earth, so that there will be soon extinct. Still there, but very rare. The next word is habitat. Okay, habitat is a place where we call it home. A human habitat is the house, right? For other animals, habitats are different. They have like, you know, ocean, woodland, rainforest, you know, or the desert. They have all different kinds of animals that is living in each habitat. The next one is vet, right? It's an animal doctors, and it is stand for veterinarians. Okay, veterinarians, that's short form, is vet. An orphan means no mommy or no daddy, just very sorry for them that some people who were born without dad or mom, we call them an orphan. The next word is adopt. Adopt means you accept them into your home or you take care of them. You raise them. That's what is adopt means. Donation. That means you've given something to people in need. You know, it could be money, it could be things that you don't need it anymore. That's called donation. And this picture, it's called a batch. Okay, a batch. Now let's take out your class book. And it is on page 60. Page 60. Okay, read question A and B and quickly scan. Look for the answer. How many things are there in adoption pack? You don't have to read the whole article, just scan through it. And you will see the words adoption pack, right? So after you spot the word adoption pack, you don't have to read all the detail. Just look at the bullet points that they pointed out to you. So, and then you count, and then your answer. So how many things are there in adoption pack? How many? Can you look through the article and find how many things are there in the adoption pack? Guys, can you give me the answer? How many things are there in the adoption pack? Can you see it here? I put the here. So how many things are there in the adoption pack?
6.
Right, 6. Okay. And B, who is Ziki? Find the word. Okay, that's Ziki. What is it? Who is Ziki?
Ziggy is a female badger.
Good. She is a badger cup. The cup, this one, the cup means baby for a badger, like cat. What is the cat baby? We call it kitty, right? What about dog? Do you know what do you call the baby dog?
Puppy. Puppy.
Yes, it is puppy, right? Duck is duckling. You know, they have those, yeah. What else do you remember? A cow. We call it a calf, right? For a baby cow. So for badger, baby badger, we call it a cup, okay? A pig is the piglets, right? That's all I can think of. A swan is a cygnet. I remember that thing. Oh, sorry, wrong spell. I remember that thing because it was on the exam. The cygnet. Swan. Okay. All right. So these are the wildlife friends articles that I like you to read an article and then answer activity 2. Find these words in the text. You know the words that has underlining words. So please do. Let me know when you finish. Do this one, and when you finish, let me know, okay? Are you finished? What is number 1? People or animals that don't have a mother or father? What is it? You know?
Animal.
Right, people or animal that don't have a mother or father. Don't have mother or father. What do you say? It is an
Animal.
it's an orphan. Okay. See, we look after the orphan in our center. This one. That's an orphan. Number 2, a long thin animals that live in the ground. Long thin animals that live in the ground. What is it? The animal that live in the ground that is long and thin. Do you know? It is a worm, right, guys?
Squirrel.
No, it's a worm. Number 2 is worm. Number 3, the places where animals live. What do you call? The places where animals live.
Habitat.
Yes, it is the habitat. Number 4, the animal doctors. What is the animal doctors?
Vet.
Vet. Good. Number 5, a piece of paper with useful information about something. Useful information. What is it? I think that's it. This one. There's 5 words for you to pick from. The underlining words. So it is a fact sheet. Okay. Some money that you give to help on the organization.
Donation.
Right, donation. So please check on your answer. All right. The last exercise. Read the text again and answer yes or no.
Yes.
Right? Yes, okay. Number 1, does the wildlife friends help pets? What do you think from the article? Does it help pets? It says Wildlife Friends is an organization that helps British wild animals. Right? Here on the very first one is an organization that helps British wild animals. So should it be the correct answer? Does the Wildlife Friends help pets? No, right? It's only help the wildlife animals. Do they help animals with broken legs? Let's go back. Do they help animals See this one. The animals are injured or on accident, right? Animals are injured in accidents. That means, you know, with the broken legs, yes, they do help.
Yes.
Number 3, do they need a lot of money? Do they need a lot of money?
Yes.
Yes, they do need a lot of money. Look at this article. It says, it is expensive to look after animals. We need your help. That means the adoptions that you give it to them is going to help them feed the animals at the center. Number 4, can you take your adopted animal home? Can you take your adopted animal home? This one, it says
No.
no, right? You give us a donation and we give your animal a good home here at the Wildlife Friends. That means that you can't take it home. Actually, you can't have a wildlife animal at home because it's against the law anyways. So the answer is no. You just give them the money and they will use the money to provide food and shelter for the animal. Do they give you a video of your adopted animals? What is it? Yes or no? Can you find any words that say video? It says, in your adoption packs, we give you a certificate of adoption with photo of your animal. Just a photo, right? Not the video. So it is no. Right, no. Number 6, is Ziki 6 months old?
No.
No, right? Ziki, where's that? How old is Ziki? She's 3 months old. 3 months old. Does Ziki eat plants?
No.
No.
It says she eats worms and insects. She likes plants too. So that means she's omnivore, right? She's omnivore. She eats both plants and animals. So that means yes. Number 8. Has Ziki got a mother?
Yes.
Are you sure? Take a look over here
No.
on the yellow highlight. Ziki hasn't got a mother. She hasn't got a mother. She's an orphan. That's why they took her in to the animal center. No, she hasn't got her mother. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
Right. One more time, please do your work here. Going to, and should I write it down so that you know? But there's a lot of people who hasn't done going to. 5:10, right? Okay. For going to assignment number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 17, 19, 20, 21, 25, 26, 29. That's a lot of people. 30, 31, 32, 33, and 38. Please submit the work. Okay, there's a lot of number out here. If you can see yourself out here, go to Google Classroom, look for going to topic and then start doing it. Also the past simple. Check yourself. If you haven't done it, please go check yourself. Like and dislike as well. Okay. All right. Do you have any questions regarding of the article today? Do you understand the story? Okay, probably no more question, but please don't forget to do this one, okay? Please hand in your work. All right. I will see you on, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. And please make sure that you have submit all the work, okay? All right, see you guys. Have a
Bye bye,
good
teacher.
Và đi chưa?